Hello everyone, welcome to our friends and for the Bangkit team. On this session, we are from Rifsa who would like to present our work on the product with Capstone in Bangkit 2022. Before continuing my presentation, I would like to invite you to know more about my group members. First, we have Ade Fiqri from Machine Learning, and then we have Dede Ikhsan from Machine Learning, and myself, Farrel from Mobile Development, and Wayan Alston from Mobile Development, and then Rafie Azmi from Cloud Computing, and the last one is Royyan Fajrul Falah from Crowdfunding. Before going any further, we need to know in advance about the background of the problem that we are carrying. Reviewing the activities of local residents who are farmers, they often complain, such as forgetting to record when purchasing agricultural needs, missing book notes, and lack of information about disease in rice plants. For those complaints and the current ease of internet access, we want to create an application that helps farmers in managing agriculture. Next.
Based on research conducted by Nuryanto in 2018, rice leaf disease could cause failure in rice harvest by 15 to 24%. As a result, the profit of farming decreases because it has to be reduced by the higher cost of disease treatment, and the quality of production decreases so that it is unable to compete in the market. The success of disease control in rice plant plays an important role in supporting production. So we want to introduce our solution. Rifsa, Rice Farmer Assistant, is rice farmer management app to assist farmers in farming daily activities. Rifsa offers features such as budget and inventory records and rice leaf disease detection. Next, our target market are rice farmer or his relative with age 18 to 60 years old.
So I will show demonstrate about the main apps. So first, the user need to log in with their email and password that related to their account. If user doesn't have, you need to log in the first in daftar button. You can log in and success. And the first one we can see there is a harvest record. And we can see the data. The user can add some new data like and save the data. Also, user can update the data and delete the data if they need again. And the second page is the financial page, and similar with the harvest, but it needs some type. And the inventory is similar with the financial, but needs some image. And the main feature is this is the record. We need some image that have disease. We need. I have brown spot in here. You can test, and it will be processed and will be indicate is that brown spot and description and the treatment, and we can save. Then this is will be recorded, and also we provide some data in maps, so user can know exactly where the disease is located, and can detail if the treatment is complete. User can delete the data, and that's it. It's gone. And it will be also summary. The next part will be the infrastructure of cloud computing.
This is a cloud diagram of infrastructure consists of the three main factors on Rifsa apps. So our API deals with MySQL and Android. On MySQL or Android, it requires API and API needs MySQL or Android. Next slide. Next slide is entity relationship diagram on our Rifsa. What do you need to be able to store the database of our application? Because we are in the agriculture application section, we need data to store crops, finance, inventory, and disease. On our inventory and disease, the difference is we using photo link for save photo on database in Google Cloud, and from ML can identify what diseases are infected on the plant. Next.
Okay, so the next one is infrastructure diagram for our authentication. So for authentication, we use email, password, and JSON Web Token from Node.js. Next. The next one is our Google Cloud Platform diagram. It shows our compute engine and SQL instance CPU usage. Next. So for cloud development, the tools we are using are Express.js for Recruit API, Flash for Machine Learning API, MySQL for our database, Cloud SQL, and Compute Engine for our deployment tools.
So for mobile development tools, we are using Kotlin as programming language and Android Studio as IDE to create application and Figma for designing the user interface. And next one.
Okay, then I will explain the tools used by machine learning. Include first there is a TensorBoard, then Google Colab, then Keras, then TensorFlow, and the last one Kaggle. Next, this is the milestone stage of our Rifsa team. Milestone is a time benchmark in the form of work activities. In July to August, there is a recon structure, fixing and improvement app features, optimized machine learning model. In September to October, there is a beta launch, suggestion from survey, improve the apps based on survey. In November, there is a market release, first launch to Play Store and also continue to conduct surveys. In December, there is a Gain Attention, Gain Idea. Have at least 1,000 active users and 20 subscription. Prepare for next R&D. This is our media deployment using GitHub and Google Drive. For each link can be seen at github.com/rifsa for GitHub and then bit.ly/rifsa app for Google Drive.
That was a presentation from our team. I would like to say thank you for the attention given to us. And the last word from me, let's create a better world of agriculture with Rifsa. Thank you and goodbye.